You know, guys, there's two kinds of people on YouTube. There's those that want change in life, and there's those that want change handed to them. Now, there's plenty of YouTube videos out there, plenty of educational videos, plenty of mentors, plenty of financial educational channels, and business mentors, etc., etc. And everybody's going to add value. Nobody can deny that. And you can include my video there as well. No harm done, right? But then there's you. There's you, the viewer, who's here to change his life or her life. And I salute you, first of all. I congratulate you for finding this side of YouTube. Because not many people find this side of YouTube or is interested in this side of YouTube. But the problem is, you're not seeing any change. You might have been on YouTube for 6-12 months watching these kind of educational channels, but there is no change. I want to talk about this. And I need you to watch this video till the end, because I'm going to say one thing here. This video is not going to be entertaining. It's just going to be the red pill. And usually, you guys enjoy these entertaining videos. But I didn't come on YouTube to, post entertaining videos. I came here to just talk about the truth. And force yourself to watch this video till the end. Because if you can't watch this video till the end, let me break it down for you. You will never see success because you're not patient enough. You just want to be handed things straight away. Listen, you watch videos on YouTube and you enjoy them. You press the like button and people are giving you all this value. Free business advice, free business ideas. And you press the like button, you press the subscribe button, as you should to this video, by the way, and then you move on to the next video and you do the same thing. But you're missing one thing. Even though you're getting all these business advice and business ideas, you're not actually taking action, which is the first thing that you have to do, is learn and act. But not many people act. The poor mindset comes out. That poor mindset says it's too good to be true. Now that you told everybody, right? Now that everybody knows about this business, how come now everybody's gonna be successful? How come they don't do it? How come they don't succeed? Well, the thing is, you can have a download video that got 1 million views. Only 10 people max would go through with that business idea. The reason? Well, those 10 people know for a fact that business isn't as easy as this person is saying it. They have to go through hard work, commitment, discipline, and everything else that comes with it, dedication, in order to see success. So when somebody gives you a business idea or a strategy or whatever it is, you know for a fact that you have to go through hard work. Many people don't. They just want to get handed shit. So that's why not everybody succeeds on this side of YouTube when it comes, because this side of YouTube has millions of views, right? The educational side, and it's a small community of entrepreneurs, right? But not many people actually succeed here because they don't take action upon those ideas that we give for free. And they don't read between the lines. And the poor mindset comes out 24/7. It's too good to be true. Skeptical, skeptical, and skeptical. I'm too old for this, I'm too young for this. When was the last time you heard about affiliate marketing? I'm pretty sure everybody has heard about affiliate marketing at this stage if you've been on this side of YouTube for almost a month or two. But why don't you go through ahead with that idea? I don't have the time. I'm too old, I'm too young for this, etc., etc. So you're making excuses. That is the poor mindset. So nothing has changed just yet. You need to change this in order to succeed in business. Business. Or stocks. Invest in the stock market. Why don't you invest? It's too risky. Have you tried it? It is risky, but have you tried it? Have you learned? Selling. The oldest thing you can do right now. A caveman sold a rock to another caveman back in the day. Right? The oldest thing. It's been done for years. Why can't you do it? I don't know how to. I'm too old for it. I'm too young for it. I don't want to work hard, etc., etc. Trade in the stock market. I had somebody say, Zed, trading is risky. Of course it's risky, but have you tried it for you to actually comment upon my career? It's risky. I do it. You don't do it. Right? Because I put in the work, I actually know what I'm doing. It's risky because you just look from the outside world. You haven't even tried it. So when you look at a business idea and you say it's risky, it's not going to make me wealthy, it's not going to make me successful, how do you know? Life is like escalators, guys. 5 escalators. You take the first escalator, you might succeed or you might fail. If you fail, you go back down. No harm done. You learned the lesson. Then you take the next one. You fail or you succeed. If you fail, you go back down. Learned another valuable lesson. Then the third one might take you to the next level. The third escalator might actually take you to the next level and you might succeed with that third escalator. So, what are you going to do about it? Well, from now on, promise me and promise yourself, because you're the only one in charge of actually succeeding. Nobody's going to give you a business and say, here, give me your hand, let me walk you up the steps, let me create a business for you. Nobody's going to do that. You have to do it yourself. You have to understand what it takes to actually succeed in business. It's not just watching YouTube videos with all these transitions and whatnot and say, I'm going to be successful now because I know everything. You can know everything. Listen, I've been on YouTube since I was in college, on this side of YouTube, learning. Alright? I only succeeded about 2 years ago. So, what we need to start doing is change that mindset, that's the first step, and understand that even when a business is given to us and 1 million people get to see that business, it's like, wow, everybody knows about it. What am I going to do with it if everybody knows about it? Well, not everybody's going to go ahead with that idea and actually succeed or even start. Not everybody's going to put in the time because they're all going to make excuses. And if something seems too good to be true, then probably it is too good to be true, guys. It's always good to be educated and aware of your surroundings, but always take what you learn, do a research on it, see who's actually succeeded in it, right? Because that's the only way you'll see success, is to replicate somebody else, see who's succeeded in it, and then replicate that person, and then somebody else will replicate you, and that's the cycle. And that's why there's so many millionaires that hang around with each other. It's because everybody works together. Everybody's actually replicating each other. And that's the only way to see success in the long term. If you want to succeed, do exactly what I say here, guys. Look at these videos, take them, analyze them, research, and see who's actually succeeding in these ideas, and then replicate them. Take action. And then find out whether this thing is going to take it to the next level or not. Because how the hell are you going to find out if this thing is going to take it to the next level or not if you haven't actually tried it? Right? And I see some people who are unwillingly or actually are too arrogant, you can say, or ignorant to read between the lines. I say this with all respect. When somebody says, I make this much money from YouTube, this is how much I made from YouTube, I see in the comment section, I'm gonna unsubscribe to this person because I'm helping him make money. No, you poor ignoramus. That's your getaway ticket. That's you looking at that person and say, I'm gonna replicate him and do exactly what he's doing to succeed. He made a video on YouTube, he makes money through YouTube. Instead of you hating on that person, replicate that person. And that's the problem right there. The problem is with me, actually, because I think everybody is at the same kind of mental level as me. But the reality is that's not true. But hopefully, when you stay around for long on this channel, you will have the same mindset as me. But if you enjoyed this, guys, let me know in the comment section if what we preach here is correct, or if I'm just pulling shit from my... Listen, smash that like, smash that subscribe. Let me know in the comment section. Show me your appreciation. Show me that you're going to be successful, because I don't want to just put shit out there on YouTube without you taking action upon it. Because I didn't come here to kind of monetize videos and whatnot. Yes, I do monetize videos, but I'm not going to entertain you here. I'm going to spit the truth and give you the red pill. Because that's the only thing that's going to matter at the end of the day, is you seeing success. And the only way to see success is through somebody slapping you in the face, right? With content like this. Not through transitions and colors and whatever, music in the background. I never watched a video that has music in the background, because I wanted the real talk. Because business is dark and lonely, right? It's not fun and games. Business is dark and lonely to begin with. Then the fun and games come after, right? See you again for more videos. Just like always, appreciate you for watching. Peace and love. Smash that like, smash that subscribe. Show me your appreciation in the comment section. Follow me on Instagram as Simply Zed. I drop these kind of videos every now and then. Follow my channel. Plenty of videos, plenty of tutorials, plenty of educational videos on my channel, guys. Especially in the stock market and trading. Have a look. Open up a demo account. Practice, and everything else you need is always going to be in the description. Peace and love. Just like always, I'll see you for more.